Hi everyone, today I'm going to be taking the DJI Flip for its first flight. We're going to be starting out by controlling it with the DJI RC2 controller, but later on we're going to do a quick test of how well it does standalone, just tracking me and flying without a controller at all. And just like that, the DJI Flip lands in your hand. So one of the things that really has me excited for the DJI Flip is that it's like the DJI Neo in that it doesn't need a controller or a phone to fly. It has a bunch of preset functions built in so that you can just press a button on the side here and it will fly itself. I'm going to set to active track right now. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it's tracking me. And yeah, that seems to work pretty well. And then, of course, to land, I put my hand under it, and it lands. You can also do other functions automatically, like circle around you or fly in a helix pattern. And yeah, I'll have to test those out in the future. But just initial impressions are very, very good. This really is kind of an upgraded premium version of the DJI Neo, which is a drone I really like. But this one has an actual gimbal and a really good camera on it, and so this is actually quite exciting. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye!